You just have to dust. You know, get
pop all these things into the
get soapy water and dust a little
this
bit.
One's into
Baby, I don't want you to stress now. So I will do that.
Washing machine.
I will do that, baby. Let me just get soapy water and dust a little bit.
Wow.
I don't want you to stress.
Alright guys, thank you for
You stress
coming.
a lot.
Traveling to Nigeria with us and coming back with us.
Yeah, and what do you miss about
love you all.
our home?
So Mona Chisa is asking, what do you miss about our home? I missed everything. I miss cooking.
We missed everything.
I miss
everything.
Playing with Tomika and building these mansions and watching YouTube and playing
And Netflix.
Yeah.
No.
I miss.
Baby, you miss Netflix.
I miss Netflix in whole Internet in.
And also the internet, you know.
Yes, I miss having good internet. Posting a video. Look at Mona Chisa and come to her slime instantly. Posting one video.
And you even miss.
Baby, what about outside? You've not seen outside.
Let me pop.
And
let me. Oh, let's.
You've not even seen the cars outside.
Let's keep my
guys,
car.
if you see the amount of dust
let me
on those cars.
Baby,
yes, love.
Drink it.
Okay.
We are going to see our car.
Yeah.
Oh my days.
I'm so excited. We have seen this from here, this part, but we haven't seen the backyard.
Yeah, we are going to see the backyard.
I want to draw a big.
The white one even looks better. The black one.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ. Hey, just 1 month. 1 month away.
Wow.
We've missed this place so much.
What's happening to the black one? Why is it like this? Let me see.
We love you all.
Love you guys.
What did you write?
Say family.
Family. Family is everything.
Love you guys, fam.
And I did a love part.
We love you all. Oh my God. Look at how dusty.
Look my goodness.
Look at our bins.
Oh.
Do you know they delivered this thing? I think 3 days after we left because that was when it was supposed to be delivered. Look, this is our package.
Baby, let's check the bins. Whether they deliver some items here.
I don't think.
Some parcels.
No.
I even look at the vegetables.
Oh. You scared me.
This was supposed to come before we
Wow,
traveled.
oh, scary.
A lot of insects inside them.
Mommy, why is there some bowls here? Whose
Yeah, I
bowls
think-
are these?
Maybe. Look at these. It's like
That's
these
where we
places.
packed all those things before. Because we just
And
moved there.
whose bowl is this?
I think it should be our neighbors. Maybe they were playing in their house and threw it over and don't
Yeah.
know how to get it. Had it been we were home, we would have thrown it back to them.
Yeah. I actually like them.
Is that our own?
I think so. Actually,
No, that's not us.
It's not ours. It's not ours.
Mommy!
This is somebody that just coming back from Nigeria. Okay, I think we left this lights on. Or did we just on it now? I think we just on
I think we just on it now.
Baby,
Look at the ball.
Yes.
when I
love.
say I throw that ball over.
Okay.
Throw it over, but we don't know whether it's from
No,
here or it's
only
from
these
here.
ones that have children now.
Okay.
For now. And throw this one over again.
The pink one is. Honorable is here.
Good. Let's go. Come, babies.
We are seeing our backyard.
Yeah, we've seen it. Shem, come.
Mommy, don't
No,
forget.
this one is like.
Everywhere is dust.
Mommy, don't forget a
Yeah, see my table
little
now.
outside thing.
Hmm?
Have you forgotten?
We'll take this table to skip.
Baby, this table.
Baby, come on.
Hmm?
Okay.
This table. See sugar for your hand.
Tommy, camera car is dirty.
Shame the balloon is dirty. Throw it. Good boy.
Can I see it?
No, leave it. Throw it away. This is so dirty. I'll just leave it here for now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come, baby.
Oh, look at my TV. Have you even been to the kitchen? Because I was
Yes.
in the parlor.